All right, coming to you live from UT Stadium here at Austin, Texas, DevOps Days Austin, and I'm here with Matt Ray of Chef. Matt, how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks.
So last time we did a podcast, my gosh, it was probably 3 years ago.
Yeah.
What's happened at Chef since the last time we talked?
Well, we've grown a lot. Chef is over 250 people now. We're in more than half the Fortune 100. Companies. We've opened new offices in London, San Francisco. I'm going to be going to Australia for Chef here in a little bit. But the company's growing well. We have launched a couple new products. We have the Chef server is now completely open source. We've open sourced all the enterprise components of the Chef server. So the same packages that you're running as a commercial customer, you're running as an open source customer. We've been pretty busy.
Yeah, and I think one of the things you mentioned just before we did this is y'all are moving up the stack.
Yeah.
Can you talk about that?
Well, so Chef, the software is an important part of configuration management. And it's completely open source. But we've also started moving into other, kind of the next parts of the continuous delivery, continuous integration story that you'd have with infrastructure. We've got Test Kitchen and building up the test-driven infrastructure story. That's completely open source. And we've also moved into compliance as code. So we have a new commercial product called Chef Compliance, but it has a very large open source component called Inspec. It's a new compliance language that we open sourced. It won Black Duck's new software project of the year last year for 2015. So we're really excited about that. So it brings compliance as code. And then we also launched last year our continuous delivery product. So it's called Chef Delivery. We've built a lot of CI/CD pipelines for a lot of really big shops over the years, and kind of saw what worked and what didn't. We brought in Jez Humble, the guy who wrote the book Continuous Delivery, and we built this new commercial product called Chef Delivery. And so it brings a unified view of how infrastructure and applications can be delivered. A opinionated workflow of here is CI/CD. It's got built-in testing. Has a workflow that it enforces. So you could say I need 2 reviewers. One of them must be from the security team. And then it does code reviews, and it works all on top of Git, and just pushes your code through this pipeline. And it's been really popular, because it's something that is built for the enterprise. It's built for large deployments with lots of moving pieces, so you can safely move faster. And that's what we're trying to help companies do as they become software-defined businesses.
Awesome. And then just to end with, Chef going forward, you guys have a container story?
It's coming soon. I can't talk about it too much, but hopefully we'll be talking about next month, and it'll be another open source project will be really soon.
Cool. Anything else for Chef in the next year we should look for?
Yeah, so we're here in Austin, Texas. Chef Conf is coming to Austin this summer, July 11th through 13th, downtown at the JW Marriott. So going to be a great venue. Going to expect a lot of people to be there.
Awesome. Matt Ray, thanks so much.
Thanks.